Analytics for Artists shows you how your music and content are performing across YouTube. Here's how you can use analytics to fine-tune your strategy and maximize your impact. While signed in, head to YouTube Studio. Then go to Analytics. First, you will see the Overview tab. This tab is your go-to place for a snapshot of your performance on YouTube. You'll see key metrics like total watch time, views, and unique viewers. This tab will also show you real-time activity, giving you insights into how new releases are doing within the last hour or 48 hours. In the Overview tab, you can monitor new releases, track viewer growth, and identify top performers. Next, let's take a look at the Content tab. The Content tab shows you analytics by each format: videos, shorts, live posts, and songs. Here, you can find out where your viewers are coming from, which videos and songs are performing best, and what type of content keeps your fans engaged. Now, let's go to the Audience tab. The Audience tab is here to help you understand your fans and give you a deeper look into who is watching and listening to your music. You'll see demographics like age, gender, and top countries or regions. You can also find out when your audience is most active on YouTube, as well as what other content they're watching. Unique to Artist Analytics is also the Total Reach Control, which has a toggle for Official Artist Channel and one for other channels that shows across all the analytics tabs. When both are toggled on, your analytics will show the total reach of your content across YouTube. For example, if fans create shorts using your music, you'll see their shorts included in your analytics when both toggles are on, or the other channel's toggle. If you want to see details only for the content that you've uploaded, you can toggle Official Artist Channel on the Total Reach filter. Now that we're familiarized with the Analytics tab overall, let's cover some common questions. First, how is my video doing? You can find video level analytics by clicking into a specific video title or thumbnail anywhere in analytics, or by clicking into the video in the Content tab. How is my song doing? Go to the Content tab and select Songs. Here you can select individual songs to see a detailed performance breakdown, including a percentage breakdown of viewership and content using your song across shorts and video. What else is my audience watching? In the Audience tab, scroll down to what your audience watches. This information can help you find other artists or creators to collaborate with, as well as what other types of content are resonating with your fans. How big is my fan base? In the Audience tab, select Unique Viewers. This metric tells you the estimated number of individual people who watched your videos within a specific time frame. This gives you a much more accurate picture of your reach. To really understand your audience, go into the Returning Viewers report. This will show you which content is bringing in new listeners and which is keeping your existing fans engaged. Understanding this can help you tailor your content for maximum impact. Which playlists are my songs in? In the Content tab, scroll to How Viewers Find Your Videos. This shows you the traffic sources that are bringing people to your content. Click See More for a detailed breakdown. You can also select Playlists to see exactly which playlists are featuring your music. We hope these answers help you dive even deeper and make the most of YouTube's analytics tools. If you want even more resources for artists, go to artists.youtube.